बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Which city of Pakistan held the OIC conference in 1997? Islamabad. The Kargil incident happened in 1999. In which year was OIC founded? 1969. Identify the largest cantonment of Pakistan. Kharia Kent. Shakarpariya is situated in Islamabad. Where is Varsk Dam of Pakistan situated? Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. National code of Pakistan is PK. Sardar Abdurrahman Nishtar was the governor of Punjab. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam. What was the name of the first European who reached India by sea? Vasco da Gama. Which bridge in Turkey connects Asia and Europe? Bosphorus Bridge. What is the name of the bridge that connects Russia and Crimea? Kerch Bridge. Africa's largest tropical rainforest is Salonga National Park. It is located in DR Congo. Which region of the moon is known as dark side? South Pole. तो ये थे कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो जीके के जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह कल वाले वीडियो में भी मैं जो एक्स्ट्रा बाकी क्वेश्चंस हैं वो भी जीके के वो भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी। शुक्रिया।